Hello fellow repairers. Well, this is just a very quick tip about organising sort of a strip down and rebuild of your bike. I assume that lots of you are experienced repairers, so you probably don't need me to tell you this. It's like telling your grandma how to suck eggs. But just as a note, when you do strip something down, and I was thinking about when you're on a well-known auction website and people say unfinished project, I reckon what happens is that they take everything apart and just bung it randomly around in the garage, and then when they come to put it back together they realise that they don't know where all the bits go. And obviously if you're taking a lot of pieces off, you need to organise them in some way, shape or form. Now this is probably not the most professional way to do it, but I've got lots of these nice little Barton tubs that I had from another business that I was running, and they're just so useful for doing car repairs because you can pop things in them and they've got the open front, so you can easily get your nuts and bolts and components out of it. So just been trying to store everything in small batches, keeping it all as separate as possible and sort of making sure everything's in the right place. So for example, over here I've got the brake components, front and rear brakes, foot pegs in there, radiator cowling, the caps and things are in this one. So you've got bar ends there, front and rear lights, so the bulbs, oil reservoir, all that kind of stuff. So I know it seems maybe a little bit dumb, but when you're doing a big project it pays to be a little bit organised, so when you come to putting it all back together then you can find all your nuts and bolts in one place.